Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Stepping Stones to Your Success. This is Garland, and tonight we're going into critical management skill number 11, which is people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. We found that these processes and procedures work very well in corporate America and also work equally as well in the martial arts industry. Tonight we're going to be working on what's called the welcome aboard call or the standard exit call if they don't sign up. So let's jump right into it. Now I'm dealing with a new customer that joined our business or a new student that just joined our karate school. So the first thing we do is we got to call the new student or the new client or the new customer and say, welcome aboard, wonderful to have you on the team. The second thing the branch manager does is to find out when the new student or the new client or the new customer is going to come back and visit us again. Next thing to do is the branch manager reminds the student about the family discounts that we have for additional family members that would like to be part of the program. So the last thing we do on the call is make a point of saying congratulations on making the decision to join the team. You need to thank your family because they have just enrolled you in the best program that's out there today. There's 4 responsibilities that I have as a branch manager. Let's pretend like for a moment you're the new student that just joined the school and I'm the branch manager. First thing I'm going to do is get you on the phone and I'm going to say congratulations and welcome to the team. The next thing is, when's the next time you're going to be in class, because I'm going to work with you personally. And number 3 is, I need to remind you about the family add-on program. We have a tremendous family discount. Do you know that our mix is about 50% kids, 50% adults, and it's about 64% female, but it's actually 83% families. We got a ton of families that train with us, and we'd like to have your family come join us as well, because we believe that a family that kicks together sticks together. But the most important thing I want to do on this call is say congratulations. I know this was a big decision on your part, but rest assured you are in the right place and now your adventure begins. Is there anything else I can help you with? I look forward to seeing you on Monday at 3 o'clock.